I like to make a video about the software, new installation and upgrade. Okay, you go there, you can find that generally by version number, you can have the newer version installed, or we try the latest one. Why we still keep the old one? Because sometimes some Windows maybe have problem with the new one. Anyway, before you upgrade or doing anything, first you can check the version here about, and you can see the current version 2461, and then you can compare the online version. This one is newer. Okay, it's downloaded first. Okay, it's busy downloading. Okay, let's download. Then in the parameters, there is export. Let me make a copy of the software. Let me store on my flash drive. Okay. Let me make a copy. Okay. Then once you download the software, you actually can override install, but you make a copy of the parameter first. As I mentioned in previous video, the setting is in the software. So let's see, you can just double click to install. Use default override install, it's fine. Sometimes the parameter lost, at least you have a copy. This is a default installation. If you don't change, it will override. If it has to override, whether create or not, up to you. Okay. Let me pause this part so we do not have a very long video. Okay, now it's almost installed. Oh, I should pause longer. I should seriously pause longer. Okay. And notice this. Most of software rely on Microsoft runtime. And if sometimes you have errors of software, mostly is caused by runtime. Okay, now we can run it again. The parameter should still be there. Okay, but first let me confirm the version we actually upgraded. You can see it's new version now. Every parameter is still there. Because we can check, I remember under the access, there's a password. Okay, password is this one, if I can show you. This is a password. No, this is a password. Okay, not the picture. So you go inside. Let me check that because I remember I yesterday changed one of the access retreat distance. Where's the access retreat? So I can confirm the parameter still there. Where is it? Where is it? Pulse equivalent. You see the parameter is not there. Suppose I have a C axis, it's gone. Okay, so let's try importing the parameters back. And switch configuration, yes. Right. Okay, let's go restart. Why it's restart become Chinese now? Where to change language? I should still be in the parameter. This is parameter. Let me try to find the language. Anything is about language. Anything about language. Maybe this. Once here, it means factory parameters. Password still same, no matter which language. Okay, I think I need to make another video about how to change language. Okay, let me down this video now.